Python provides numerous built-in functions which can be used to perform complex operations. In this section, we will be exploring some of them to manipulate our numbers and strings. Let's begin. The first function in the list is POW function. It takes in two numbers and returns the result of the first number raised to the power of the second. But to use all the functions that we will be discussing, we need to import math module. A module is an external Python file that contains functions that are used by other Python programs. To import a module, import statement is used. In our case, we need math module, so we will be writing. To access any function of the math module, we write math.function name. In case of POW, this will return 4 raised to the power of 3, which is 64. We will be following the same syntax to use other mathematical functions. Floor and field functions are other widely used functions. Math.floor takes in a number as a parameter and returns the largest integer equal to or less than the number passed as the parameter. The output of the above snippet will be math.ceil takes in a number as a parameter and returns the smallest integer equal to or greater than the number passed as the parameter. The output of the above snippet will be abs function takes in one parameter and returns the absolute value of a value passed. Abs is not a part of math module. It is a built-in function. An absolute value is the magnitude of number irrespective of its sign, i.e. plus a or they. The output of the above snippet will be math module provides a function for finding the logarithm of the number as well. Math.log can take either one parameter or two. When one parameter is passed, it returns the natural logarithm of that number. When two parameters are passed, it returns the logarithm of the first number to the base of the second number. The output of the above snippet will be the square root of a number can be found by using math.sqrt function. Math.sqrt takes in a single parameter and returns the square root of the number. The output of the above snippet will be apart from these functions, the math module consists of numerous other functions which also includes trigonometric and hyperbolic functions. We won't be exploring those in this course, but feel free to check them out. It's time to take another look at strings. Textual data in programming languages is represented using strings. A string is a sequence of characters. It can also contain spaces and numbers. There are 3 ways to write a string in Python. Python treats single and double quotes similarly, but when enclosing a string, the same type of quotes need to be used. This is wrong. A string enclosed within triple quotes can span to multiple lines, and all the white space will be included in the string. can also be used in place of that. Let's see some built-in functions which we can use to manipulate these strings. It returns the string in sentence case, i.e. with the first letter capitalized and rest small. To use string functions we write where str is the string which we want to manipulate. So, in case of capitalize, this will return here I am. Take note that the value of str is still the same. Capitalize returns a new string. The str.count function returns the number of occurrences of the substring specified as the parameter. str.count will return 2 because he has 2 occurrences in str. Similarly, the str.find function returns the location of the first occurrence of substring passed in find as a parameter if it exists in str. Index is the term used to refer to locations in programming. These indexes are represented by whole numbers, similar to our house numbers. In this case, these are the numbers for denoting memory locations. The first character will always be at a location 0, i.e. index starts from 0. The output of the above snippet will be because H occurs at index 0. Remember, indexes start from 0, so this means first position. Similarly, str.find I will return 6. Also, str.find will return -1 because D is not found in the string. The str.join function returns the concatenated string of the sequence of strings passed to it. In this case, str contains the separator to be used while concatenating those strings. The output of the above snippet will be similarly, the output of the above snippet will be